In this episode, we'll be adding a glossary. So let's get started. A glossary is basically a collaborative dictionary. As an assignment, a teacher could give students a list of keywords, which they'll then have to define. Today, we're going to create a glossary with these terms: Moodle, forum, file picker, HTML editor, SCORM, and glossary. So let's get started. I'm logged in as Jacob Smith. I'm going to turn editing on. And I'm going to go to add an activity in the navigation bar. To add a glossary, we click on add an activity and choose glossary. Under name, I'll choose Moodle glossary. Under description, I'll say glossary of common Moodle terms. I'm going to leave all the settings as default and click on save and return to course. Now go back to add an activity, and there it is. We'll click on the Moodle glossary, and here we see the Moodle glossary interface. So there's no entries currently in the glossary. To add an entry, click on the add a new entry. The concept will be Moodle. And my definition of Moodle is an open source course management system with many multimedia features to make learning fun and interactive. And I'll just click on save changes. And there it is. So we'll just keep adding the 5 other terms. So for glossary, a collaborative dictionary, it does spell checking for you, where students can add definitions to a list of topic keywords. Save changes. I'll add a new entry. File picker. The standard interface that most users will use to manage files in Moodle. It allows users to upload files from their home computer to the Moodle directory on the server. Click Save Changes. We'll add a new entry. HTML editor. My definition is a graphical interface allowing users to create HTML code much like a word processor. Users can add pictures, links, and multimedia with a simple click of a button. Save changes. Now we'll add forum. An online discussion site where people can hold conversations in the form of posted messages. Save changes. And add a new entry. The next concept is SCORM. I'm just cutting and pasting. I pre-wrote these definitions. SCORM is a collection of standards and specifications for web-based e-learning. Allows multimedia learning material to be graded and scored in many different course management systems like Moodle. And save. To see all our entries, we can click on Browse by Category and click on the Not Categorized. And here we see our entries alphabetically ordered. So file picker, forum, glossary, HTML editor, Moodle, and Score. There is an interesting mode where you can add pictures to make the glossary a little more fun, so let's do that. So I'm going to search for an image of Moodle. Searching under images. And I'll use this image. Go to full size image and click on the URL of this image, and under Moodle I'll click edit. Sorry, first I have to save the image. So here I'm in my tiny MCE, and I'll click on insert edit image, and I'll paste in the under image description I'll say Moodle image, and title I'll say Moodle image, and insert. And to get the HTML code, I go get contents, and I triple click, and Control C to copy, and I'll go here, and I'll paste it, and let's see how that looks. And there it is. So that's a glossary. You can also browse by alphabetically. File picker and forum. So I think it would make a good assignment for kids to learn new vocabulary in a certain topic. I'll see you back in the next episode.